Hey there, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor and Remax Southern Homes, coming to you from our newest listing at 1095 Greystone Cove Drive here in the beautiful community of Greystone Cove, just off of Highway 41, Dunham Valley Road here in North Shelby County. This beautiful 4-bedroom home is situated on a little less than 1.5 acre home site. Features open concept floor plan, beautiful 6-inch pine flooring. There's a great finished basement downstairs that we're going to see in the video. That's great for entertaining, with a separate living area, also a separate game area with a pool table set up, 3-car basement garage, all the space you could ever need. This great home is going to be open this Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m., not 2 to 4, but 1 to 4, with Team Taylor agent Rebecca McCalman's going to be holding it open. So come visit this beautiful home and see what this great community is all about.